Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain what it means to have your Android phone stuck in headphone mode. I believe that headphones are a common mobile phone accessory for most users. Headphones can protect your call logs and allow you to listen to your favorite songs. Headphones bring convenience, but some users have reported the problem of their Android phones getting stuck in headphone mode. Sometimes, Android phones remain in headphone mode even after the headphones are unplugged, causing the phone's speaker to not work and the headphones to not function properly. If you are also encountering this problem, don't be discouraged, solving it is not difficult. Please try to fix Android phone stuck in headphone mode with me. This video applies to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Common reasons for Android phones getting stuck in headphone mode include temporary software malfunctions. Software malfunctions may cause the Android phone to still think the headphones are connected even after they are unplugged, resulting in them not working properly. A faulty headphone connection can also cause the Android phone to fail to recognize that the headphones have been unplugged. To get your Android phone out of headphone mode, please watch and try all the methods in the video. These methods have been tested and proven effective. We believe one of them will help you get out of headphone mode. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Reboot your device. Rebooting is the simplest way to solve smartphone problems. Rebooting can clear malfunctions, clear memory, and rerun the phone's system, thus turning off stuck headphone mode on your Android phone. To reboot your Android phone, try the following steps. Press and hold the power button until the reboot screen appears. On the reboot screen, tap the reboot icon, and your phone will restart. Wait patiently for the reboot to complete, and then check if you are still stuck in headphone mode. If so, continue to the next method. If you are out of headphone mode, the problem is solved. Method 2. Unplug and plug in the headphones. The first time you unplug the headphones, it may have triggered an error, causing the phone to remain in headphone mode. To solve this problem, you can plug the headphones back into the phone and then unplug them again. The purpose of this is to allow the Android phone to recognize the headphones again, and then disconnect the headphones. After this, some users' phones will be able to escape headphone mode. If your phone is still stuck in headphone mode, please try the next method. Method 3 is to clean the headphone port. An Android phone stuck in headphone mode may be due to a lot of debris inside the headphone port, such as dust, dirt, paper scraps, lint, etc. If the debris inside the headphone port is conductive, it may cause the Android phone to recognize it as headphone mode. If you want to solve this problem, try cleaning the headphone port with a brush or toothpick. After making sure it is clean, check again to see if you are no longer stuck in headphone mode. Method 4 is to reset the device. If the above methods are ineffective, then it's time to try a hard reset to fix an Android phone that's stuck in headphone mode. A hard reset is the last resort you can try. A hard reset is relatively extreme because it will erase all data and applications on the phone and restore it to default settings. However, a hard reset is a good way to solve software problems and is worth a try. Tip: before performing a hard reset, be sure to back up any important data, otherwise all data will be lost. Next, please tap your phone's settings, then find and tap General Management. In General Management, find the Reset option, tap it, and then find and tap Factory Reset. Your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will be erased. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Android phone. After completion, check again to see if the Android phone can't get out of headphone mode problem is resolved. Method 5 is to take it to a store for further inspection. Internal hardware issues can also cause an Android phone to be stuck in headphone mode even without headphones. Hardware problems usually require inspection by a professional technician, as this often requires disassembling the phone. If you are not a professional, please do not attempt to disassemble your phone. You can take your phone to the store where you purchased it and have their staff help you check and remove the headphone icon from the Android device. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and thought we did a good job, please like and share it, and tell us in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think we need to improve, please leave your opinions and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.